Is Bosnian hard to learn? Yes. Bosnian is a South Slavic language, and for native English speakers, that means cases, grammatical gender, verb conjugation, and two alphabets. None of that is simple, so I'm not going to lie to you. But here's what nobody tells you about what you learn during all these hours. Grammar, genuinely complex. Bosnian has cases, which means nouns, adjectives, pronouns, and numbers, all change form depending on their role in a sentence. Every object, every person, every direction. The ending shifts. And on top of that, every noun has a gender that determines how everything around it behaves. But here's what surprises most people. Pronunciation is actually one of the most learnable parts. Bosnian uses a consistent sound system. What you see is largely what you say. No silent letters, no chaotic spelling rules like English. Once you get familiar with the sounds, reading out loud becomes straightforward. Then there are the scripts. Bosnian officially uses both Latin and Cyrillic. For most learners, the Latin script comes first and fast. Cyrillic takes a few more weeks, but follows the same pronunciation rules. It's not a different language, just a different keyboard. And once you have both, a much wider world of content opens up. Here's what surprises most people. Speaking is significantly harder than reading and writing. In real conversation, you have to pull the right case ending, assign the right gender, conjugate the verb, all without stopping to think. That gap between understanding and speaking is where most learners get stuck. So all in all, here is the honest answer. How hard Bosnian is depends entirely on what you already speak. If you only know English, good luck. You're starting from scratch. There is no case system, no grammatical gender, no Slavic structure to lean on. It's a genuine climb. Russian, Polish, or Czech speakers have a real head start. The case system and verb logic will feel familiar from day one, and a meaningful chunk of vocabulary will too. If you know some Croatian or Serbian, you're already most of the way there. Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian are closely related and largely mutually intelligible. The differences are real. The differences exist, but they're manageable. Mostly vocabulary, accent, and a few specific expressions. But honestly, none of this matters as much as one thing. Here is what's true about the people who actually stick with Bosnian. They're not learning to tick a box. They're learning because somebody they care about speaks it, or because Bosnia itself pulled them in. Maybe it's family. Maybe it's a partner. Maybe it's Sarajevo, one of the most culturally layered cities in Europe, and the feeling that you want to actually be there, not just pass through. Whatever brought you into this language, that reason is what carries you through the difficult parts. The scripts will stop being scary. The cases will start making sense, but only if you have a reason to keep going. When that's your reason, the grammar stops feeling like a wall. It starts feeling like a door. Here are 3 things that will actually surprise you about learning Bosnian. 1. The 2 scripts are less scary than they look. Both Latin and Cyrillic are phonetic in Bosnian. Start with Latin and you'll be reading it within days. Add Cyrillic a few weeks later. Most learners are comfortable in both and get a hang of it faster than they expected. 2. You can start speaking useful phrases immediately. Kako se zovete? What's your name? Gdje je WC? Where's the toilet? Jedno pivo, molim. 1 beer, please. Even a handful of real phrases used early builds confidence and momentum faster than any grammar lesson. 3. Consistency. It beats intensity every time. Regular short practice, like 10 to 15 minutes a day, logs the language in far faster than occasional long sessions. The grammar patterns repeat. Once you start recognizing them, you stop memorizing and you start speaking. So, where do you actually start? The app I use is Ling, and I want to tell you why it works specifically for Bosnian, not just in general. First of all, Bosnian has sounds and rhythms that are genuinely new for English ears. Ling uses native speaker audio for every single word. You hear a real Bosnian speaker, not a text-to-speech robot. When you learn from a robot, you sound like a robot. The lessons are built around real situations, like ordering food, asking for directions, handling emergencies. The sentences you learn first are the ones you need right away. No absurd filler. No, my grandmother's umbrella is blue. Cases and gender sound overwhelming. Ling's grammar notes break down the logic in plain language. No jargon, no textbook. Just here's what's happening and why. Try the Ling app free for 7 days. Link is in the description. You'll know within a week if this is the mountain you want to climb. So, is Bosnian hard to learn? Yes. But hard is only the wrong answer if your reason is not strong enough. If you're learning because of a spreadsheet or a resume, maybe look elsewhere. But if you're learning because there's a family dinner table you want to belong to, Bosnian is absolutely worth the struggle. Good luck on your language journey. You can do it.